Hello friends and welcome to our new fantastic listing at 1558 Orrington Payne Place in Casselberry.
This cute townhouse features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1409 square feet, has laminate flooring in the downstairs, 42-inch cabinets. All the bedrooms are in the upstairs and they're in a split floor plan.
This home is located just off of 1792 and 434. You can literally fall out of bed, roll down those stairs, and you're gonna hit Winn-Dixie, giving you all the groceries you ever needed. You go around the corner, you can buy a car, you can buy furniture, tons of banks, and Enzo on the lake is right around the corner as well. What a fine dining experience that'll be for you and your family. Come on in, let's take a look at this one together.
Thanks for checking out our listing. Tell us what you love about it. Eric?
I love that this is a newer community and you have a nice community pool to go jump in and enjoy and relax during the summer heat.
I do love the low maintenance this community offers and the location where it's at.
Absolutely. So give us that thumbs up, share with your friends, and let us know who we can help buy or sell in this area.